After taking out the tank, getting the tank kind of mostly drained out, much as I can. Still a little bit in there, but I did fill up that container. That's the gasoline. I put more in here in the gas tank. I did just see this right here. It's now the valve cover here is missing this bolt. This yeah, it's a bolt to secure on top of the head here, or yeah, the cylinder. Anybody knows what that's called? Greatly appreciate if you could help me out real quick. I'm about to go watch a movie here next hour. But yeah, this is what I did. I just zip tied the clutch cable away from that power lug on the starter there. I do need to tighten up the exhaust bolt here. It is loose, so I'll tighten that up. Give it a once over real quick on the motor, like all the connectors and whatnot over here. Same thing. Get it back, to where it needs to be much as possible, and to get it running. See if it'll run. Actually, I just want to see if it turns over, so I can check the spark, and I can check compression. So yeah, check for spark, compression, and then make sure it's getting fuel. And if it still doesn't start, then I might have to get down into the motor here and find out if check the timing. If anybody has a web link or another video that shows how to time these YFZ 450s, these Yamahas, that'd be greatly appreciated. Any help would be great. Oh, come and think about it, look at this. I just saw this just now. It's broke. Looks like, broken. That's for the brake master, or not brake reservoir. It's broken. I could probably take that off and weld it real quick, but I'm not. That's not what I was given the bike for. All they wanted me to do was to get it running. That's it. Nothing else, nothing more. Just to get it running. I thought, okay, I'll do my best. I'll try to figure it out. Hopefully that was just it. Just clutch cable touching the grounding out on the starter positive cable. That'll be it, hopefully. Also, anybody have any idea where this goes? I think it goes right here. Like this, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't know. I never worked on one of these bikes before. Anybody knows where this part of the cable goes and what this hooks onto right here? Also would greatly appreciate it. Thanks.